Okay, Year 8, we're going to make ourselves a straight track in this video. From your A4 sheet, what you need to do is fold it in half and make a nice crease along the halves, and you will cut it in half using your scissors, and you'll end up with a strip like this. Now, once you've done that, what you want to do is work out where your halfway point is. We're not going to fold it in half again because we don't want to crease down the middle of our track, but we do fold it just a little bit to work out roughly where halfway is. You can see that that's the halfway point, and then we fold our sides up to that halfway point. That way we end up with sides that are the same height, and we don't have to do any measuring. And there you have it there. A straight piece of track. Now you can stiffen this up. One way of stiffening it up would be to get a little bit of your tape and place the tape on one side across to the other side, and that will just reinforce it so that it's less likely to open up, as you can see there. The other way of doing it is to close off the end. If it's the beginning, you can close off the end. And what you do is you make a couple of snips in the end, on there, and about the same length here. And once you've done that, what you can do is you can fold in, and I probably cut that a little bit too long, but you can fold that up and fold the ends across to close it off. And what that does is, and you get yourself a little bit of tape here. What that's going to do is it's going to make the end of your track just that little bit stronger, because it's holding it shut. And obviously you're going to do it better than I am doing it presently. Because that's closed off at the end, your track's going to be a lot stiffer. Now you can make several lengths of this type of track and then slot them into each other. And if they're slid in like that, they can be adjusted to whatever length you want. And then you could tape them together if you needed to keep them in that position once you've established the length that you want. So that is how to make a straight section of track. Give it a go.